So we got some chicks. There's 43 in here. Those for John. We got another 50 some odd, almost 60 in this one. And then we got 20 or so that are layers in here. These chicks are gonna be meat birds. These are, you can see, Cornish Cross and Red Rangers. These are our brooder setups. We're using the heater, heat lamp, and then a big water. We're kind of still setting it up, figuring it out. Seems like the 7-pound hanging feeder is the best thing from Harbor Freight as for feeders. These waters are a little too big. I'm gonna end up getting some smaller ones, not sure yet. And then we've got some heat lamps. Those are just old shop lights. And then this one's the regular one from Harbor Freight. I like the shop lights. I think they're the best way to go. And that's it. It's our little chickies. Hey, little chickie.